Hello guys, my name is Adrian Chavez, I'm 23 years old, and I would like to start this presentation asking you a couple of questions. Do you know how long is the waiting time for an organ transplant? Or do you know how many people is dying right now because of the lack of donors? Well, the answer might be tough and probably is gonna make you a little bit sad. According with the National Transplant Center database of Mexico, in 2019, 15,890 patients were in the waiting list for a kidney transplant. But how can we improve this process? Where can we get more kidneys? I'm sure they're not in Amazon yet. And don't get me wrong, but hopefully one day they will be. What I'm really trying to say is that there is a big results in tissue engineering that might make this possible. So, what is tissue engineering? First of all, we have to define some new concepts to fully understand what tissue engineering is and how does it work. First, we have cellular engineering, which is the process of adding, deleting, or modifying genetic sequences in a living cell. Then, we have genetic engineering, which is a modification of the characteristic of an organism by manipulating its genetic material. And finally, we have the tissue engineering, which is a biomedical discipline that combines these two concepts with other engineering techniques and knowledge in order to restore, improve, or replace type of biological tissues. And now that we know all these concepts, I hope you guys are seeing the same opportunity that I saw when I knew about tissue engineering. With tissue engineering, we can replace a full organ, we can replace tissues or even bones without the need of a donor and reducing the rejection rate, which is a very typical issue in organ transplants. In this way, we can improve the lives of so many patients. Nowadays, advances in technology have even allowed us to print a fully functional organ in one day, which is something crazy. By continuing to research and innovate in this area, we can save so many lives. After I graduate, I will know all the basic knowledge about biological tissues, physiology, and cellular biology, but I will need a master's degree to fully understand how can we make a synthetic tissue. There are also so many universities with very good programs that I'm interested to be part of. Some of them are the University College of London, the Swansea University, or the Tampere University. Tissue engineering is seen as the future of organ transplants, the future of medicine, the future of biomedical engineering, and it is definitely a future I want to be part of. Thank you so much for your attention.